In this video, I'll guide you through how to mark attendance in Zoho People. This will be a quick step-by-step walkthrough so you can confidently record your time without any confusion or mistakes. Let's start from the moment you're logged into your Zoho People account. Once you're on the main dashboard, your first move is to go to the attendance section. Depending on how your organization has set things up, you might see this on the main menu on the left side of your screen or under a menu labeled Time or Time and Attendance. Look for the option that clearly says Attendance and click it. This is where all your check-ins, check-outs, and daily attendance details are managed. After you open the attendance section, you'll see your attendance overview for the day or for a selected date range. To record your attendance manually, look for the button or link that says Mark Attendance. It's usually placed near the top of the page or in a visible spot where your daily controls are shown. Go ahead and click Mark Attendance. This tells Zoho People that you want to log or update your time for a particular day. When you click Mark Attendance, a form or small window will typically appear. This is where you enter the required details if needed. The exact fields you see can vary based on how your HR or admin has configured the system. Common fields include your check-in time, check-out time, the date you're marking, and sometimes a reason or note if you're editing past records or making a manual entry instead of using a live check-in. Take a moment to carefully enter these details. If you're marking attendance for the current day, your check-in time might be set automatically, or you might need to type it in or select it from a time picker. If you're adding both check-in and check-out times, make sure they are accurate and in the correct order, so your total working hours are calculated properly. If there's a comments field, you can use it to briefly explain why you're entering the time manually, especially if you forgot to check in or out earlier. Pay attention to the date field as well. If you're updating attendance for a previous day, double check that you've selected the right date. This helps avoid confusion later when you or your manager reviews your attendance records. Once you've entered all the necessary details and reviewed them for accuracy, your final action is to click Save. This step is important because your attendance will not be recorded until you do. Look for the Save button at the bottom or the corner of the form and click it. After saving, Zoho People will usually refresh the page or update the attendance view to reflect your new or updated entry. Take a quick look at your attendance summary for the day to confirm that your changes have been applied correctly. You should see your check-in and check-out times, along with any calculated work hours, now displayed in your attendance view, and that's all there is to it. You've gone from opening the attendance section to marking your attendance, entering any required details, and saving your record in Zoho People.